Hello guys, for today's video, I will be showing you how to replace a new battery on a SeaStar Tissot watch. So this is my husband's watch, and he is asking me to replace a new battery in it. So of course we need these tools to open the back of the watch. The SeaStar is more easier because the thing here is very deep, so it won't slide. So this is more easier to open than the other watches that I've been dealing with before. So of course, make sure that it's open right there. Okay, you can use your hands to open it all the way. Right there. And of course, remove the battery by using this one right there, and of course the back, the stopper. So then the middle thing don't move, so you need to remove that white thing there, and then of course blower it, and then replace a new battery in it. So yan, you need to make sure guys that your hands is clean and not watery. So ayan, as you can see, it's already moving and it's working. So ayan, it's already done, of course. And then put back the stopper, the white one right there. So just a reminder guys, if it looks easier, but it's not easy, especially if you're just new doing it. It looks courage to do it. So especially if you're dealing with luxury watches, just don't do it if you're not sure that you can do it, because maybe you will broke the watch. So of course you need to practice. Oopsie. Yeah, it's a hassle, and sometimes it's not worth it because you destroy the watch. So ayan, I'm sorry guys, I need to say it in English because a lot of my content if we're talking about how to replace the link and how to replace battery, I saw a lot of comment if I can say it in English. So right now I'll try my best to say it in English all the way. So I hope I can manage it. I'm not that great or good with English, but I try. So as you can see, I'm trying to put it back the back of the watch, and of course the hands won't do it all the way, so you need to use the tools to lock it really close and make sure that it's closed all the way, so then the water won't come inside the watch. So right now it's already working. So what you're gonna do, the SeaStar is not like the other watches that you can just push this. You cannot push this until you won't open the you need to turn this thing here. So you need to use the tools. I don't have a right tools for it, but this time I will be using this. I don't know what's this called, flies or whatever, but yeah. So aray. So yeah, for you to push this button here, you need to open this one. So then you can set the time See, as you can see, it's working. See, because without pushing, opening this stuff here, you can't push this. You need to open it. So now you can push it. This is how you set the time. So what is the time right now? I'm not sure. It's almost 12 o'clock. So, and this one too, you need to open also. So right now, the time is almost 2 o'clock. So I need to set this time. It's almost 12 o'clock. So it's like 11:45. 11:40. No, not 45, but 11:55 rather. Sorry. So right there. And then I need to set the time. Now I'm having trouble how to set up the time for this one. Oh, it's 18 today, right? Is it 18? Hold on. I don't know how to make this work. Like, okay. So I want this to work like okay, I got it. So okay, right there. So yan, as you can see, it's running. So we need to lock this all the way. Close it back so then it won't move. Right there and right there. So now it's fixed and ready. So now my husband's watch is ready and it's ready to use. That's all. See, that's how you change a battery on this Tissot SeaMaster watch. That's all for today and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.